This is also an important question. Explain pay through securities. So now what happens at over here, special purpose vehicle will issue the securities in which it will be mentioned that say what is the amount which the investor is going to get. Exactly the amount will be mentioned. It is not like that say whatever the special purpose vehicle receive, that itself is transferred over here. No, it will not be like this. Certain securities are specifically issued. So we can say that say there is a desynchronization of the cash flows. Whatever the amount which is received and whatever the amount which is paid, in that say there will be a time gap. So over here, the special purpose vehicle say will invest certain amount of the surplus for certain time period. In case of the pass through certificate, all cash flows are passed to the performance of the securitized asset. In contrast to PTC, in PTS, pay through security, special purpose vehicle issued debt securities backed by the asset, and hence it can issue the different securities. We can relate it to something like called debenture, in which a debenture can be issued wherein specific amount that will be paid in form of interest and specific amount that will be paid on the redemption. That kind of clarification can be made. This structure permits desynchronization of servicing of the securities issued from the cash flow generating from the asset. Further, this structure also permits the special purpose vehicle to reinvest the surplus funds for short term as per the requirement, because whatever the amount that you have received and whatever the amount that you have to pay, in that say you have some amount of the surplus. In case of pass through, all cash flows are passed on immediately, while in PTS, in case of the early retirement of the receivable, it can be used for short term yield.